Are you wondering how to add Solana to your MetaMask wallet? Well, that is the question we're answering in today's video. As always, before we jump into today's topic, please drop a thumbs up down below. Subscribe if you haven't already in order to stay up to date with all of the latest crypto news and trends. So without further ado, let's get into today's topic. The first thing as a big disclaimer is that MetaMask is not 100% compatible with Solana. However, we are going to look at a workaround solution in a moment, but if you are looking for a dedicated Solana wallet, then Phantom is the best option for you. You can add the Phantom wallet to your Chrome extension by going to phantom.app, and you can use it natively with the Sol token. So if you do want to use Solana with MetaMask, then what we need to do is we need to use wrapped Sol. So if you're not familiar with what wrapped tokens are, basically they are a one-for-one copy of your Solana token for wrapped Sol, WSOL. It's a one-for-one version of your wrapped Solana token that basically allows you to use Sol on different blockchain networks, and it acts as a bridge for you to get your Solana from one wallet or one place to another. We've got wrapped tokens for all of the major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Polygon, DOT, etc. So this is not something that is unique to Solana, but using wrapped Sol is a way to actually add Solana and send and transact with Solana on MetaMask. So first things first, what you want to do is obviously open up your MetaMask wallet. Once you've opened up your MetaMask wallet, what we're going to do is we're going to be using wrapped Sol on the BNB Smart Chain network. So first things first, you may not have the BNB chain added to your MetaMask wallet. If you don't, what you want to do is click, you might have Ethereum mainnet open by default. Once you sign in and set up your MetaMask wallet, what you want to do is click here and click on Add Network. That's going to open up MetaMask in your browser. And once you do that, you have the ability to add new networks from this area. So if you type in Binance, I don't think it's finding it here for me because I've already added it, obviously, but you can add BNB Smart Chain by typically typing it in here and then adding it, and it will show up in the drop down of your network area in the MetaMask wallet. Okay, so in order to add wrapped Sol to your MetaMask wallet, what you then need to do is, again, if we open the MetaMask in the browser window, what we want to do here is import tokens. So we've got our Binance Smart Chain open, and what we want to do is click on import tokens, and then we need to add the token contract address. So to get the token contract address, what we want to do is go over to CoinMarketCap and find wrapped Solana on CoinMarketCap. You can easily find this by going to coinmarketcap.com/currencies/wrapped-Solana, and that's going to bring you to this exact page. What you then want to do is scroll down in this left-hand bar. You want to find the Solana contracts area here, but you want to click on this drop down for more, and you want to make sure that you specifically find the BNB Smart Chain BEP20 contract address. You can see that it's compatible with MetaMask, it's compatible with Trust Wallet. So we're going to copy this contract address because this is the Binance Smart Chain BEP20 contract address for wrapped Solana. Then we're going to come back over to our MetaMask wallet. It's going to open up again. We're going to go to import tokens. We're going to paste the contract address that we just copied. We're going to write Sol. Well, it's actually populated automatically the token symbol and the token decimals. Then we click next, we click import, and we have now added wrapped Sol to our MetaMask wallet. And if we go back and scroll down, we can see that it has now been added to our wallet here. So again, this is the best workaround for being able to use and transact with Solana in your MetaMask wallet. You are using wrapped Solana rather than the native Solana token because it's not fully compatible with the MetaMask wallet, but it is a one-for-one version of your Sol token. So you need to wrap it, send it here, and then send it out of your wallet again. But that is how you add Solana to your MetaMask wallet. So as always, if you enjoy these videos, please make sure to give us a thumbs up down below. Make sure you're subscribed, and we'll see you in the next one.